The Cassini spacecraft, we plunged that back into Saturn in its death when we were done with it and ran out of money, we're done with it, plunged into Saturn to vaporize. We didn't leave it in orbit around Saturn. Why? Because it might have crashed into one of Saturn's moons that might have life. And if someone had sneezed on the spacecraft before it got launched, we don't want to contaminate the life that we are later going to one day want to study.
What?
So that's why. So we plunged it into Saturn.
That's why?
That is why.
Because they were worried about like maybe it hitting Europa or something?
Once it's dead and you can't track it or guide it anymore, then it's a wild card. It might hit Europa is a moon of Jupiter, but Enceladus, there are other moons that have sort of ocean water, they're water worlds basically. And
so the concern is that we would introduce life.
Suppose we did, it crashed, and then we go back later and find life and it has DNA just like here. But was it our life that we contaminated with? You don't want to confuse the future science of it. So that's the plan.